Hi, I'm Elliot, and welcome to Global Sangha. You might be wondering, what does Sangha mean? In its simplest sense, it's community. A group of people who come together to support, inspire, and grow with one another. At Global Sangha, we believe that community is the glue that makes transformation possible. Through yoga, meditation, wellness practices, and travel, we create spaces where people can connect deeply, not just with themselves, but with others. Our retreats blend movement, mindfulness, cultural immersion, and shared experiences. Whether you're exploring a new city, tasting a local cuisine, or practicing yoga together at sunrise, every moment becomes an opportunity to learn, reflect, and connect. Because transformation isn't just personal, it's shared. At Global Sangha, you don't just see the world, you explore within and travel beyond together.